Hey everybody, it's Veronique here today with another new recipe. Shout out to Auntie Sue, Uncle Romeo, and Kaylin for this beautiful, delicious salmon that we had last weekend at you all's house. So it is basically salmon. I have wild sockeye salmon here and scallions or green onions. We also have fresh lemongrass from their garden. Thank you so much. And ginger. For your sauce, you're going to need some sugar. I have coconut palm sugar here, but you can use brown sugar, white sugar. Palm sugar is supposed to be a little bit healthier, and it is used in traditional Thai foods. We also have soy sauce, and then we have mushroom sauce. So we're gonna mix these together, make a nice sauce, and we're gonna steam the salmon, not sandwich, instead of baking it today. So, I don't have a huge steamer, so I looked on YouTube and found a way to do it with a big pot. So if you have a pot that looks like this, you can use what I call a baking ring, or it's actually a springform pan. Take the bottom part out and stick it into your pan. We're gonna fill this with water. Well, not fill it, I'm sorry. Put in a small amount of water, and then we're gonna put a plate on top of it with the salmon, cover and cook it. And I'll show you the process. So here we go. Lemongrass underneath the fish. You have your your onions and ginger on top. So here we go. We're gonna put it on top of the springform pan that's in the pot. Cover it up, and let's see what happens. Okay, so this sauce is like love in a bowl. Guess what, y'all? It's done before I thought. I think it was about 6 minutes instead of 10, so let's check it out. When you open a pot, make sure you open it away from you because the steam is extremely hot. Once your salmon is light pink and flakes with a fork, should be done. So, see how it flakes? Yeah, we're good to go. Delicious and light lunch, so go ahead and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, please. See you next time.